Contimation combination to say yes. What boy hopa? Oh, bow hopa passer. Oh, my corona said, yeah, Kia said, Hyundai be hey, sister, and I want
now, Baba, who could see Yame.
I
do it, dear.
Be Mike, I
was saying, my need that horse said, dear. Government kana but me free say nyame na boni pa ho ban.
That's right.
So wo ye ne wo say wo ye physical wo nsa ye hwe ye ho so ye say the aban say my enchi achia.
That's right.
Ne ade ni na ye wi a I think senpai bo na betimi sustain.
That's right.
That's what I
That's right. But mona mo ye superstars anko for look up to mono. What do you think say ye more stars no mo so betumi aye so that the aban me ka no mo so betumi di aboa.
Medase say adia ba ko a aban na ya mani agye ho pa ye church na o se ye hodi on
sorry didn't here
ade bi wa wonti ase no na je say menim de nti a wonti ase because eno no kra no na wo say me ba wa sorry na me fa ne say nipa ye se nipa ba ko mienu anya bi wo wa sorry na egu totally Oti de American say because so nipa mienu ba akunya bi wo wasori a hunu se me ma wo frɛ me wo be ma me 10 billion kranya de ameba.
That's right.
Enti wasori begu enti se de aban no kan say yen twentwen so kakra no se bi nipa na ekoye adwuma na se bi oba wato correction e bi anya offering timpo na wo kasa you think say bi a wo say ye bom pa no mo na mo ye leaders mo mpo mo dwen yen members ne ho enti se aban atwentwen so kakra I think say is the best is one thing yeah, apart from say me person or share borders no and the better on share borders no
still in the gospel industry don't you think says I direct TV bema gospel industry you know I affected
no say no enya yenko wiase nyina
that's right
na de wiase nyina kone de empanifo sa wote say obi abodwe hia this time crowd dey na so nsuo ye the sound they now they num pre what the make can say
ejani bedu ho no obodju ni wo dada that's right sister we need the hopa
many da ho say nyankopon wa mayen o say ye mayeni na watch and pray what I say nti no say ye say ye Christofo nko ana ye de mpade bi wo ho ampaye entimi nye nyonkronkron me so wo nsa emfa nhwe nsuo mu ma wa sa wakọ abonte a wonim say wasoso nwoma mu enye nyonkronkron na beba be so ma wadwen no nkyerɛw sɛ wo ma wo abusua wo adɔfo nti wankasa yesa de be ya wo yonko nya bi
that's right
eno
fantastic now who use medium to educate people where social media handles so
yes,
baby abekobia who use because people look up to you the other canon first be fan like serious power
ade ba kwa no so ye hwɛ yem sɛ de bia ye kan sɛ yen wo hye yen sa o ni ade yen phones ye very very important
seminal work you
yen phones
mobile phones
I even wrote it on my Facebook page say wo wa horo nsa wa ye bibia wo wi abesa be fa phone enti de wo ye ni nyina ye
kwa
Enti yan phones no aya ma yani nkon ye pepa ho na se ye be pepa ho awie krampa asa ne abewo hye yesa no because your phone dey ye ne na nam ye
the whole day we free bottom
no ayesa yan horo ye nsa o ye nye say you fine but yan phone no obetimi awoshe won nsa de sanitizer nyina ye but apart from that no we ye house and be quit our phone enti yan check yan phone no so ye ninya
fantastic but monitor outside Ghana the way you feeling e koso ho oni wo outside abusuafo namfo mo outside edi nkomo a ho so feeling it say
ultimi say esro baby I will be esro
okay
but the make catch Ghana fo nyina ne say ye ma ye ni ada ho say de ye sensu asi ye de hu yenya gidie wa awurade mu because awurade no wa hye ye mbo dada o se wa mmade so chen ye wonim ne die o papa sususuro esuro ne edoso enipa bewu edie but wo ni wabusua de nyame obegye.
That's right.
That's what I believe.
Right.
Because papa me no me ye betimi aye de betimi aye bia but se nyame onkonkron boy ye ho ban se nyame onkonkron boy ye ho ban de ne blood na cover yen ya obe sustain here
of course of course it's not just say it's not just say any kwa say in times like this, you know. God is bigger
than coronavirus.
Fantastic.
That's what I believe. Nyankopon also onu ankasa also say ye twibeno na ye mfom so ne ye mrat so ne ye sre no so on fan kyen obesa ye na asase yare ye. Enti di aba no apart from ye wohoro ye nsa aban ye de obetimi aye eni nyina ne say ye betwe aban Nyankopon. Say aban ka say wo si cathedral ya ne entiase. This is the time when we need to understand.
Sir.
I'm telling you. This is the time we need to understand say omanya betimi aka say yesi edanya menyankopon. You know? I think say Belgium will be anasa other Europe omo wo baby sa omaye bibia menyankopon. Nti ebrebi sei na omo kasa bebre ene ye hia hospital na ban so okosi dan ya menyankopon. One menyankopon space in your country. It talks a lot. Maybe politics obia betimi aka but say ye kan honhoma de na say ye wremu say Christopher a is ade ba ko a aban na ye a wo say ye bona baso asa o man.
That's right because say what to sana monso so ye bibi sa no no de hye nyame anu.
That means or bringing nyame honhom konkona konya dia besi wo say awurade eto de den anka ye say nkrofo wi na ye kwa awurade animu a Bible say abra Solomon si asori dan no man Nyankopon say wo wura mu na wo how bia no na wo bebi say those days na asori dan ni o man nim. But Solomon si asori dan no e man Nyankopon or how bia odi be wura mu bia no ne Nyankopon waye den aso mama.
That's right.
Nti say ayena mayenye politics ni bebre fan kata de papa bi asabi nyame betimi aka obi akoma mama na ye aya sometimes yemfa politics no and put aside kakra na yen shed ye honkonkron ana say your friend is saying eka editre.
That's right.
What did they make an say? Now, Ofie says, Senka Papa sit down ye wie, and at Renchemu elbow bobby. Night or mino, a more soft one in penny for ni muanum to for ni beer. One sebi, ye fee say ye do one a radaimuko such radia. Ofie said radinti, a radibeti.
That's right.
And he is one good thing as a Christopher yen supporting.
That's right. Needing the Patience Nyarko. Anani and guest and every join me on Facebook. I Adom 106.3 FM. But every Wakasapa. But I never quite naturally my drink a cran say, unse ye 31st night no. And come she be bar out. Say I have 20. But I never quite escape me can say all these prophecies never by any and we are going to me and capture say afi idea coronavirus and I idea bia ebabe kum ye Ghana for and ebabe kum ye nipa wasasi so betumi asi
eno na
I don't know to me escape nipa sa
enya no na Nyankopon na de ne ho na oye na ade Nyankopon na ye hintasem e de kire wose meka wo hintasem de wunhu ye.
That's right.
Na aso bi ante enti awurade na kan hintasem enti ono ne pese me awurade mi be ye bribi na mi ye kire masofo ebi a me sofo Francis Amuakwata anase me pese mi yi kire asomasi wanya nkire obi a na waye na ade enti ono no ye Nyankopon se me de mi believe say yemfom so ene yem bone ene de sa nyoma we nyina eba wiase ma wiase ehunu se wono awurade waye komu a no nkire se oni ho wo ho opese otwe adwen esi so se obetimi de dako pe ase wiase nyina. That's what
last statement here there emudo obetumi de daba kwa ase wiase nyina because o share ya dear to say coronavirus.
Yeah.
We share the way coronavirus ama wiase nyina
ayetadi. Yeah.
Coronavirus.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Coronavirus I'm
telling you.
It's a shawun temwa uhutume tawma recover free mono. Look at the way coronavirus ama nipa da sani say nipa the seni.
Yes.
O come maybe to say US and some of the states they say no be kwa try your big shops anymore.
Yes,
and no fill forms I say the line so na no ye chima nipa be 10 wura mu a o kwa ukita list we do pick way na no apie na ya sama na wo mo di line so abonte ne kura na ya sama mo tete mo ntem 1 meter 2 meters 2 meters as a movie.
Onyankopon twen adwen asi so se owo ho Bible say okwasea na kana kuma mu se nyame ni ho Nyankopon wo ho na do ye na do so ma ye na ade nyina mu obu na ni guso odo ne do so ma no e ma ye enti no we think say ya na eru efie ho but opese ye hunu se onu ewurade te ase or the escape a lot of pastors and prophets we know say ebi a omo de omo kan eba mu ni ade but Ofie Kwanso me a songwriter
okay
Inti ebi obeka say na Ofie Kwanso dey and then Ofie Kwanso there's a song I say hello me do I think say he me fan say a prophecy because they would see a nyom na and someone no can was 2020 esum be kateriase the sum kateriase in sickness in health obesuama it's like onim se bibi besi in the year 2020 so I think say hono na urade fa ne so aka bibi but say san say baby o de ko fire ne ya adwen ama ho yes me ye sure say so fu bi nanka o preachy enanka we ebe mu anka obekwa kotwa aba beka say okaye but nyame fa obi a we think say okay onye prophet we know ekasa but baby e ko fire no ya dwen amaso
so
uhunu say so akata wi asen so ampa
sana uhunu
yeah say nyom ne ye hello me do bibisa na metie no that night mind me ana na me say so who is Ofie Kwanso and no nim say in the year 2020 this ebeba besi ana what I say as a spiritual person and answer obi a weni da obia no obi ka say you don't just listen wo tie wi a honhom be kire o say ni na ko yeah me pa bonne say Nyankopon besa so nim no asa ba nyame na ase bi I think say nyame betimi de na ye bibi ahye ne wan munyam yeah
etire say uhunu say ye na ka ho asem na we
and now listen girl so soon jua me ukania obi kopre otoewa insaka
we na okano nyum we no
etiti
baby by the year 2020
yeah it's like he was given a prophecy you know asem no kan anya say bi e betimi asio asa oye sure of what he say
yenti menya hor yenti hor
your dance America, Russia, Minimpa, and Tawa Beba. The year 2020, too soon, Katayasia.
I wrote it on my page.
Hey, Ofie Kwanso, bohobio.
Your dance, America, Russia, Minimpa, and Tawa Beba. The year
by the year 2020 say osum kata wiase so wow na Ofie Kwanso
pe Nyankopon obetimi di stone cry ye bibia ma ne ho yes but ya adwen ankoso because baby akofa ye
secular nyumonti
yes ena onumpo no minim say bia na onukro nim what the why. Do you understand? Maybe officer or nyum na or singer nyum na bawato, but I think say na ye prophecy na all cancel because nobody knows 2020 dear beba. And you know, Eradifa will be so
really
I think says 15 say 8 years. And you know, Nyamifa will be so kasai. Sir. Yeah. Yes. Enti na sum de
nyame tumi fa obi aso kasa
enti se me very 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 serious say akwala akra me kwato say obi abo da gotem na o ka asem na asem no me fi se beboa me amefa. Wow. Especially we are software, we obi a uben rade, oba kete crampo no. Erade betimi afa ni mu akasa akere. Wa anya very sensitive. Ohunhum na wo mu na anya sharp. Obekwa kwato amenem. Yeah. That's how it is.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And come over here. Deep.
Oh yeah, me tie ya na na journey nyina man that question me page. I wrote it there say he gave a prophecy but ya adwan koso. Nti obi a beka say obi asofu bi anka sofu bi aka.
But that
kra waka. Say woni mu.
And no kind so abem.
Yes. Why no odifo ni na wahye nkom na abem. Na ya na ya me ya hawa Christopher ye ho. Say a Christopher ye te say akokọ. Akokọ asabi. Ntefra beton. Abeton. Ye be so ni pa. So Christo ni hwe ase ahwe say de yen Christopher ye nuam. But the radia can say ye be hwe ase. O hwe ase a be sorry.
That's right.
Nti se wo yo Christo ni na wo nua hwe ase a. Wo be boa no Bible said yes, o se de ni nsem odin no mu ade ni na mu ago. That's Christianity. Nti nye se wo nua hwe ase oh yes sofu bi akobo adwama naked picture. Wo be hu say obi oye elder kra no de ato ni stay. Jesus Christ.
Onu epushi amanako.
Onu epushi. Enye Christianity. Ye nuamu Muslims mumma yensua saade we mfura ya depa yensua mfura omwo. How many times I won't say Muslim ni bi dini nua sofo mala matem. Wo bi da. How many times ena ye hu saade ne say kramoni bi edi ni nua kramoni bi atem ana se che se wo de oye Muslim ni mpo na obi like said ye Christopher said ye nyoma no yen hwe Muslim for so mo ye saade na. It's a good thing we need to learn.
That's right.
Is it wow or some nothing region ho baby. Ye program. Na ye musicians na ye no. What they did I am a fan American. Omo try say omo nyom ne omo nyoma na omo dey still omo the best share by force.
That's right.
Omo new artist nyom no kra won say dance ye bo by force. What can so omo say some kra still.
Tie na tie.
Wo beti ye won tie kra beti. What you say?
That's right.
You as a Christian. And no and a beboy. But colonial virus said ye kwa me na aida kai. Was for kai o say betwem. Bibi betwem. Ewrade sheki yen ama ye hu say o ote ase. Media to me hu ne say ye nyame na de aba.
Okay.
Me fan sha obunsam.
Okay.
Say
Adentira nyame de aba.
Na me catch wo no say yen refi ye ho.
Okay.
O sha boni e ko wiase mu ate say boni bie bi nipa ye bi. Ana nyame aye din.
That's right.
Nyankopon aye din no hwe ye.
That's right.
Na o sheki no kakra ma ye hu sell. Ne do na wo de do yen no. Mayen like you take it so.
Sir, me taking for granted.
That's it. That's it. Or my ni ada ho. My young say ote ase.
That's right.
Now betimi di simaki twebi. Ayen. Bia kwapem na sambra urade nchen.
That's right.
That's it.
That's right. Jim FM 106.3. I tell you,
If you follow me,
now sister, now that I make us a headphone on person be share.
follow me, follow.
Say yen na ye boy ho ba.
Me make us a headphone person be share headphone.
Man pese measure because me ni way am de be paper was me paper.
It will sanitizer by.
Say me jaw me car.
What you okay? Okay.
Will you follow me?
It is a one sound count sanitizer and I want to mention headphone.
Me do 3.
Follow me.
God bless you. Ready? Hey, also on 3. Patient, one blast. Body station.
Adom FM 106.3.
Are they hand sanitizer and paper no what disinfecting BB and son or they headphone no edition. Where they watch and pray and pow. Where they watch and pray pa. What's your daughter? Let's do this one. That's right. Patience Nyarko ni a guest.
Follow me.
That's right.
Follow me. I will make you fishers of men.
That's right.
If you follow me. Follow me.
That's right.
Follow me. I will make you fishers of men. If you follow me, will you follow me? Will you follow me? Will you follow me? Yeah. Will you follow me? Follow me. My dear girl, follow me. Are you ready?
Be ready.
Loco lie. Follow me. You follow everybody what? I will make you fishers of men.
Sure.
If you follow me. Follow me.
That's right.
Follow me. I will make you fishers of men. If you follow me, will you follow me? Yeah. Will you follow me? I will make you fishers of men.
Who said this is the right time? Say, and what say it's searching band, you're ready.
That's
If
it.
you follow me, need the right music for the season. Ankasa, yeah, you're real fear rather than yes, come back. Now, Patrick, you was one.
Jim FM.
Yeah.
Where's your pa?
Yes.
Where's your son when you meet?
Mental.
Where's your pa? Okay. Patience Nyarko ni a guest. Adom 106.3.
I feel
Corona season, wait.
Hey, I feel well, my sister.
I tell you, and I say no, so no. First time could be for US, so right now for America come, right now for UK come.
Free Miss Sakura.
Obi aba ni no question for boko. I'm not that you.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm ready here.
Change my way.
Sure.
Yeah, my way radio.
Baby, I do not dear. Because I don't want to bet me a
He's the only hope.
I don't want to bet me a jay.
Yeah.
I don't want to bet me a jay.
He's the only hope. Yeah.
Pipe one is a ombre na swasi my no tea and pipe.
Yeah. On our account was so we are sign free young quam bonnet. Obesa ye na sase yare. So I know say ye giant bonnie na ye san ko nanima. Who is
faithful and just too much.
No money thought
Yes, Say eya wo de sa na wo hu. Na ya moni nyina sa na wo hu. Bo se why dey? Na wo be ko YouTube na other places why dey? Wakwa download na ya nso nya kakra nya project. Papa on dey make channel. Say dey be say on dey make channel.
Me hui.
Ni nyina ntu hu ye. Dey mi ye nyina ntu hu ya na. Dey mi ye nyina ntu hu. Afi wo hu. Are you ready? Since person be go Matias. That's right.
We belong to God, the mighty warrior. No weapon from against us shall prosper. Hey, I declare,
Amen.
I belong to God.
Amen.
He is my King.
Amen.
The Lord of hosts. My head shall die. I am on the Lord's side.
Sure.
We are in our house. We are for signs and wonders.
Amen.
We belong the mighty warrior. No weapon from against Father of us.
Amen.
Say wohunu mojana wo sorry anopad no ane say urade me di moja ne confirm me
Amen.
me say wo ye bi wo Misri masase so papa can say bi don can wo say no Ghanaian will die just wo ye nyame dia fa wo shewura we ya before do am husem kra no enya adwuma just apply the blood of Jesus Christ.
Amen.
We are not media, sir.
We are for signs and wonders.
Sure.
We belong to God, the mighty warrior. No sickness. I declare,
Sure.
I belong to God.
Amen.
He's my King, the Lord of hosts. My head shall die. I am on the Lord's side. We are in our house. We are for signs and wonders.
That's right.
We belong to God, the mighty warrior.
Sure.
No
We declare.
We belong to God.
That's right.
He's our King, our Lord of hosts. Our head shall die. We are on the Lord's side.
Patience not just saying me to me check coronavirus.
Adi asam na
Nyame to me check coronavirus. Nyame to me check coronavirus. Enu ti die na we say ogidi ni kade kuna brabo so.
Ena wo de me say watch and pray.
That's right.
Yes, see yenya no nchiachi abasa. Wo horo wonsa.
That's right.
Yeah, apply the blood of Jesus Christ.
Apply the blood of Jesus Christ. That's right.
So
That's right.
That's all.
That's right.
That's all.
That's right.
Me de me hosa was see yen ni e fie de. We are for signs and wonders.
That's right.
No weapon. Na some magnet and paper.
There be that. There no magnet and paper for the way. C'est n'est pas possible.
We are for signs and wonders.
Wo ni o fie de. No, what from Panya.
That's right.
That's
That's
you
right.
are already covered by the blood of Jesus.
I
Just watch and pray.
Amen.
That's all.
He's my King, the Lord of
Everybody be show me.
Amen.
That's
right.
Everybody be show me.
That's right. That's right.
The watchdog of this country. Everybody be show you.
Amen.
We belong to God, the mighty warrior.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
Eradi Brem.
Amen.
I am for God.
You are for God.
Sure.
We Ghanaians here. We are for God.
No need some no.
Shall prosper. I am for God. Oh, I am for God. Hey, shall prosper. I am for God. Oh, I am for God. Hey, me and you, Amparo. Me and you, Amparo. Me and you, Amparo. Me and you, I'm good. You be on the web. Sorry, I pray. Oh, me and you,
Wait, my fan 3. We my fan 3. We my fan 3. Papa, now 2020, I didn't expect if I'm free will camp.
2020.
Talk to me about it.
Yeah, the full album.
Okay.
And our Babon thing. And a year 2 year was near Diaba.
Okay.
A year my lights enemy in Yamidia. And a you
Nasa
wash. Now by this time the Unya Yamidia dia quay. Unya Yamidia dia named the baby I would do tea question. Because they say Abusum near you for Yamukromu Janiaba.
That's it.
And Tihina will call. Just say Yankupon Taba and I say, daughters who are new or so on some shaying ya. Won't we? His son say yes, Christo Yesu, Nintaba and I say. And tis a we and Yamedia now shayame and Pennyfosa baby or Jane and Nanny Bansujina Wanameboa. Aha, and tis a wish Yamin Taba and Nasia. Now we and Yankupon dear, said the Macase, Magnet and Chippy Panadia. On Yankupon Bebo who buy, Obe Bana no made this susuro. Susuro osuro no ekra ya bro so too much e wom yade abanyenya yale coronavirus nko na aba o e wom se ni pe wudi e but e bisi ye e wom Misrim asase so ewurade hye ne de Bible say edura wi a wonu ewurade de emrunkum fadum kata ne maso edura na jo so wodi oja fadum di ne manim e bi na esi wo man Ghana sa wuji ewurade di na ewurade ye wade anyina ewurade be hwa wo kra na oni padua so ade ba kwa me pesa hunu ni sa wonam ne nya wonko na wonam onyame abofo ka ho enti sa yesoma yade yi kura mpo beka wa ewurade wonkonkron wo ba pepa ansa na waduru fie. Amen.
Amen. Fantastic. Every day one ma Ofie Kwanso hitiano every too much. Thank you so very much. Now social media handles
I have one another song Umboyo. And your friend my light. Hey, one one coming solid.
Onyame kania nana.
Your friend my light.
Titi. Wait na.
T. Share.
My light.
You don't go dim. Endum.
My light.
Share.
My light. Titi bra never my light in my na me Bell beverages for Bell Portello. Edi twam die Bell Portello drink bi a wo hom uko Italia bonten so dia ja yin uniform kra Italian traditional drink emu de ya to ye bo asia select cherry any grape any de drink emu de sai enkwada ni je hom pani so ani je hom ehyiamu bi abewie pay your party ni bewie pay a drink ye de papi Bell Portello emu de Bell Portello emu de baby aton drinks bi no benya bi wo ho na watumi aton kama ne now so to feel betumi ide opese oyem Bell Portello unya bi na uyusu a watum says oh nom drink emu de drink a watum says bibia hye pa baby aton drinks bi a provision shop bibia mu obenya Bell Portello bo atumi aton Bell beverages form and why Bell Portello bibia me from 0544 335 800 0544 335 800 Bell Portello what you the wait Guaranteed Trust Bank was say oye bosumi adwuma na age bosumi akatua nko adia sometimes yana bosumi no enso ye ne bia be hia sika bi de atwitwa ho make enso uche ba bia enhwe mesere wada for monthly pay no fafa GT Bank send be in the course of the month ne bia hia sika bi de atwitwa ho a okọ GT Bank or monthly pay na hia ye de bema ho ye tua wo ka wi anu ayden waba ba betua we know for the most lowest quick credit rate crab oh my god the lowest rate crab interest rate crab 1.5% per month and until for a monthly salary no for GT Bank abribia send be I want so anytime you be here sika no be here mo bia no GT Bank betumi edma sika no send be I want saka sika na waba ababetua na IFA wouldn't you rather bank with GT Bank hibio and na obeko ye koya ni mu na TT eba ba be yi enwom papa na me abo no na MTN si raise level no u raise level ne dia na dia u use MTN na simply dial TT ni simply dial star 120 star 1 hash star 120 star 1 hash na also register with MTN raise level promotion no na the MTN egusua eche over 20,000 iPro phones MTN gusua eche over 20,000 iPro 5S phones where you MTN ache and many years so DBB on where you phone ache where you MTN ache and utibra now also register with the raise level promotion star 120 star 1 hash everywhere you go, empty and heavy one pa. Now immune booster. Boost to immune system, in this era of coronavirus. Now, boost to immune system in this era of coronavirus. And then in boost herbal mixture. And now use so in boost herbal mixture. Post in the drone. And one year you so now am I to me? Just sorry, and also waka. Yet to me about you my year. Pharmacy shop never worry more. Obey a year post in the different in boost herbal mixture. Now, so where to me at all. About year pa and to phone for 0243 115 948 0243 115 948. Now only a year impeding for into me and to come now TTA you me a meba bebo ye and a car bank say weekendy and as I said you obey yisika and now discover to account and now be transfer sika bianwa and who create here so fa car abakrum car bank the agent banking about area more neighborhood banking the most a car bank amount to one canopies most a trail gani car bank agent banking ni nyina no nya hu eye bibisa no ana hu eye unya hu eye bibisa no ade ko eye banking Cal Bank near the bank near the yet pie at the bank what to be our person your banking hall no obey me I with Cal Bank agent banking wo neighborhood war and into so person transfer capital to your bills person you capital send iska ni nyina agent banking no ebebo am answer to me I the person ye bia we no lorry fair same bia we remu na obey me your banking transactions ni nyina ewo ho yo papa Patience Nyarko make the idea Titi or repeat but I promise you I'm going to play it.
Okay.
I'm at here for be feeling before
yeah I say my lights will never go dim.
That's right, fantastic. And then inspire my dear no
I am onipa biara hia wo Nyankopon kane ase bedi nanim wa abrabom ye de ba physical wo dem krampo na wo hwehwade wo sum a obre sa na abrabote se awurade kane di wanim a ba bia nkrofo pacha wo munimuni no wo benante na wache nti abrabo yi mu no hia wo nyame kane a na bedi wanim wa abrabo ama de wo pesa wo ye bia no watimi e de aye. That's right.
Nti no enche bia no me drop it se titi mani available when she be a dropping it for so to me feeling ye pa so the album now they back out this year now I should I do in prep kwemu na dey na person
so what you say trust production Nyankopon adum tie me bibia ye timi de 2 albums by in a year.
Fantastic.
Nti we ya mi kan ye bia na bibia betimi esi all those coronavirus edge attention no but still Onyankopon ebeye de opese oye me ye nyame dia no sorry anopa na wo ne wo ma wo se ye nyame dia na maka cho se magnet enche paper nti no ba bia hu bi tu a enyame ma obe cover ho mo nti wo ye nyame dia but wo die no se de ye ka physical no wo ye nyame dia ko gina wo lo kwam aka bebo wakun nti no se wo se yen wo horo yen sa yen hwe yen hu ye ma yen hage rough ma yen checha rough yen diso na asofo no so said abanya kano yen diso because we anye na wo enipa 10 and 2 kura wu wa sorry na egu it is a good thing na we say support aban no na yen nyina yen kuna enyeye me bebia ye Patience Nyarko uko YouTube by Patience Nyarko me did my light video na efe
okay
efe me video si efe ba my light video no efe amma me challenge pa to say next video amma me ti boom enti kona ko share Patience Nyarko
social media handles ni na Patience Nyarko fantastic now obi person reach out to you for any business conversations feel free
me chia me papa Apostle Francis Amwakwanta papa one me don't need too much our father's spirit
means me believe in rough
just say or eja akuma no matter said the wutie bia no papa no betimi ene watena mana yeye nyame sure papa ye do atwea maame ma Janet so de wo me fra atwea maame enti no me chia wo bia wo bia me chia me maame obia twa dora solo bia everybody
chia mo nyina everybody nso ye wabusuani
I want to say everybody
okay everybody
the nickname everybody and me friends fancy.
That's right. Now, contact numbers be business lines actually.
Yeah, they said they say are suspending all programs, but all the same, maybe when your cash be about person support the Patience Nyarko. With me, but men friend me 12 o'clock and I do be some mother. no memfa. Number is 024 30 691. 024 30 691. Yamisha also me do why
Miss me feel you more. Now dressing the autumn says what prepare who pass it. Oh my coronavirus. Come prepare 3 years. Anyway, Patience Nyarko and Adom the latest 2 about big women what tobacco HBS I'll drop in the next one. I'm also what me have a feel of a non so but in the meantime, Paul and Silas and Bre and Edrusu. Yanko team Rantian. Yabasisia.